Hi, today I am going to explain about a special kind of designs that we can do in the Artcam. So that may be useful for you, and it's depend upon your applications and jewelry applications. People will have that kind of ring for the casted shape. They can create it using the milling operation, machining operations in CNC machine. For that, they have to create some designs, and if they want to use the Artcam, how they can do, I will be explaining now. We will go to the Artcam software. We want to create the new shape for new shape. So for that, we have to click. So we have to keep it here. So new model. So for new model, I have to create very small size. It's not that very big. It may be some 100 by 100. That's okay. 100 by 100. So that can be the size, resolutions, and everything. I kept high and then give OK. Yeah. Now this is the model space where I'm going to create that particular design for that shape. So first I have to draw those profiles. So what all profile is required? First I am drawing it, and how I am drawing with the dimensions, you can see that. So this is the polyline mark. So what I will do is that I will start drawing from some point. I just click that point from here. I want to draw another point from here, 10 mm, maybe a 15 mm from here, and 5 mm in the height. So this angle I want to click it. So exactly if I want to draw, what I will do is that in X 10 mm, 15 mm I will take 15 mm, X 15, and Y I just want to a height of 5. Then add point. You can see the point is coming here. So like this, if I just want in X direction only, 10 mm means 10, add. And here if I want another 15 mm to X side and Y minus 5. So this is 15 mm in the positive direction and Y in the negative, minus 5. I just want to bring other one down here. Okay. So this profile is over. Now I just want to create some changes in this files. This center portion I want a little bit down. So what I will do is that I will go to the node editing. So I'll just close this, and there is node editing is there available here. Otherwise, you just after selecting, press button and node editing option will come. Here, keep the mouse here and press letter A. Arc will be created. So from this, you can just shape this arc like this. If you want to make, you can make this like this. Then this design, this shape is over. Now I want this is the profile. I want to extrude that profile for some distance like 15 mm. I want that to extrude, or 10 mm if I want to extrude. I have to create one more line like this one. If I just want to create one line in this direction, that means X, Y only 10 mm. It will go to the top. This is all relative points. Okay, that's why it will calculate the distance from the previous point. That's why it's then again this much only I want. So for the extruder, I want this line, and this is using this. First, I will draw a shape. Now you can see that the center point. If you want to show origin, you can give that origin here. And one more thing is that you want to bring all this to the center. So this one I am just bringing to the center, means F9 button, or you have a centering model. This tool is there. You can just click it. This also I want to bring it to the center. Okay, so you can click this also here. So it's also came here. Now I want to go to the extrude command. So okay, just I am not selected anything. I'm just going to the extrude command. This is the extrude command. You can see here the extrude command. The second one is the extrude command. Then I want to first select the drive rail. So I just select the drive rail and click select. You can see the arrow mark is only in one side, so you want to make it center both sides the arrow mark, so it will come like this. Then this start profile I have to select, here also I have to select. So now you can see a shape has come like this. Okay, so now I want to make some changes to the shape. I don't want this much of width for this here. I want a smaller width. So how I can reduce the width, I will show you. So for that, what the size you want, you have to draw an outer line and to remove that actually. So that what we will do is we have to draw, we have to go and again draw. So this I am just applying. Okay, now I will just leave this. Now I will go again to the top view. Okay, just from here, I just want to create a shape what I want to cut. So this one again I will go. I just want to create the shape like from here to here. I just want 5 mm. So I will just go Y5, then add 0.5. Then from here to here, some 15 mm will be there, and this also some 10 mm. So 5 mm it going means 2.5 only I will be there. So X is 10 mm, no 15 mm, that much distance is there, and 15, and this one is 2.5, then add point, so it will look like this. And again here only 10 mm this distance, so X only 10 mm relative. Okay, 10 mm. Then again here go down like this, so X is 15, Y has to go down, that is minus 2.5, then only it will go down. So add, so you can see it's come here. Then again another 5 mm down. So 5 mm down means again 5 mm down means Y minus 5, add. It's okay. So like this, again you can add one more point here. X is in minus 15, Y also minus 2.5. So again it will come down like this. Then here another minus 10 only, X minus 10. That is the relative distance from the last point. And other one you can just click it here, or also you can give the distance also. X is minus 15 and Y is going to the top positive direction, so it is 2.5. So that way we can add this. Okay, this is the shape you got. So now what we have to do is that we have to bring this shape, center it here. Okay, then if I want to remove the material from this outside, this is the shape from the top it should look like. So I have to remove the material what is coming outside this curve. For that, what I have to do is that I have to use another command, which is in the relief. You have in edit, you have a 0 inside vector. I don't want 0 outside vector. Whatever the outside the vector, I want to make that 0 level. That is 0 outside vector. If I use this command, you can see whatever outside this vector will become remove all the relief from there. So this is the shape I just want to create. So I just want to toggle the visibility of lines vectors. So I just click it, so I can see the lines visibility toggle. So you can see this shape, and if I want to remove the bottom, sorry, toggle this bottom. So this is the shape that you were looking for. You got this shape. So this is the shape if you want to create. So if you want to create such a shape, you have to use this command. So I just origin also I will just take out. Just want to I can use this for some other purpose. So this is the final shape you got from that. So this is the method how we can create a shape like this. So initially you saw this only the picture. Now you have the idea how I created it.